Let's go back to Peter then, who's joining in with a reaction on how crude prices have panned out after the surprise cut by OPEC. Peter, good to have you back on the show. Tell us, where do you expect crude prices to head from here, given the fact that, it's a surprise move and it does throw a spanner in the works when it comes to Fed's inflation fight, and, Goldman Sachs still doesn't see $100 on oil for this year. What is your take?
Well, good morning. I think a couple of things. Yes, I wouldn't be surprised to see oil edge up further from here in this quarter. There seems to be a disconnect between Washington and Riyadh. This is really fueling much angst to OPEC Plus, and we've seen that cut quite aggressively of 1 million barrels, and that in turn is going to create, I think, a lot of tension in the oil markets and naturally with the inflation story moving forward.
Right. So would you expect crude to hit $100 a barrel anytime soon in that sense?
I don't know whether it'll hit it this quarter, but I won't be surprised for it to hit it in the next quarter. Certainly by that July, August, September period, I think there's a lot of momentum to the upside. And, we're only $15 out. We're currently trading at the best part of, nearly $85 a barrel of Brent and $80 for WTI. So, yes, probably very conceivable. Maybe not this quarter, but certainly in the next quarter.
Right. So oil could touch $100 a barrel by next quarter. That's the call coming in from Peter. With that, Peter, thanks a lot for taking out time this morning and joining in and sharing your thoughts on where crude is headed from here.